So guys, like we did the development of an embryo until a fetus is formed. Dang it. Yes. Now we are doing the development of an embryo until implantation. So the development of an embryo until implantation. So in an exam, the diagram lays a puma. The diagram how do you interpret it? Here we have an egg cell that fuses with the sperm cell. The process whereby a haploid egg cell fuses with the haploid sperm cell to form a diploid zygote. It is called the fertilization. It's called what? Fertilization. How do you explain how fertilization occurs? A haploid egg cell fuses with the haploid sperm cell to form a diploid zygote. And this process yenzeka in the oviduct. Lesa sibiza ngokuthi i-fallopian tube. Masithi haploid siqonda ukuthini? Siqonda ukuthi i-egg cell is made of 23 chromosomes represented by N. It fuses with the sperm cell, which also made up of 23 chromosomes represented by N. It results in a diploid structure with 46 chromosomes represented by what? U2N. And this diploid structure, it is called the zygote. It is called the what? Zygote. It is called the zygote. Now, in zygote, it is a cell. It is a what? A cell. Now, Sibu, in zygote will undergo a second process called mitosis. Will undergo a second process called mitosis. Now, if you remember carefully, in mitosis, it is the process that doubles the genetic material. So it means we're about to double zygotes and form a structure which is called the morula. Form a structure which is called what? The morula. So in zygotes will undergo mitosis to form what we call a ball of cells. To form a what? A ball of cells. To form a ball of cells. Now, this ball of cells, it is given a special name. It is called the morula. It is called the what? A morula. Now, morula will then undergo mitosis. Morula will undergo what? Mitosis. To do what? To form what we call a hollow ball of cell. A what? A hollow. To form a what? A hollow ball of cells. A hollow ball of cells. And this hollow ball of cells, it is very important because it is given a special name, which is a blastula. It is a what? A blastula. Right? It is a blastula. So, a diploid zygote will undergo mitosis to form a ball of cell called morula. The morula will undergo mitosis to form a hollow ball of cell called blastula. By hollow, it means it is empty inside. It means it is what? Empty inside. Do you understand? Yes. Now, blastula will later develop two embryonic membranes. To develop what? Two embryonic membranes. These embryonic membranes or embryonic layers. The first one, it is called an amnion. It is called the what? An amnion. And the second one, it is called a chorion. It is called the what? A chorion. Now, just like how we spoke about the amniotic egg, then number 4 layers, which is the amnion, the chorion, the allantois layer. Say, lo unani, une chorion, ne amnion.